Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you quickly how to create a folder in Google Drive. First of all, you need to be logged into your Google account and you need to get to your Google Drive. So if you don't know how to do that, make sure you're logged in and then click on your little waffle up here, and this is what the Google Drive looks like this. Next thing we're going to do, now that we're in Google Drive, we're going to go over here and click New, and we're going to click Folder, and we're going to create a folder called Football. And then I'm going to click Create, and now you can see I have a folder called Football right here, and I'm going to look for some of my football articles right here. So here's one. I'm going to click and drag. You can see how it is highlighted around the football folder to show me that I'm about to bring it into that folder. So all I need to do is let go of the button on my mouse, and it dragged it in there. So I just dragged and dropped it. So if I click right here, double click on the football folder, there you can see the 7-on-7 football rules article is now in the football folder. So that is how you create a folder in Google Drive.